Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen for a equals -1, b equals 2, and c equals -10. Find the equivalent polynomial of ax squared plus bx plus c in parentheses squared. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square, a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. In the trinomial, the first term, ax squared, corresponds to the a in the formula, bx corresponds to the b in the formula, and c corresponds to the c in the formula. So when I apply the formula, this equals to ax squared in parentheses squared plus bx in parentheses squared plus c squared plus 2 times ax squared multiplied by bx plus 2 times ax squared multiplied by c plus 2 times bx multiplied by c. When I simplify further, this equals to a squared x to the 4th power plus b squared x squared plus c squared plus 2abx to the 3rd power plus 2ac x squared plus 2bc x. As a next step, I need to substitute a with -1, b with 2, and c with -10. When I do that, this equals to -1 squared x to the 4th power plus 2 squares x squared plus -10 squared plus 2 times -1 multiplied by 2 x cubed plus 2 times -1 multiplied by -10 x squared plus 2 times 2 times -10 x. When I simplify further, this equals to x to the 4th power plus 4x squared plus 100 minus 4x cubed plus 20x squared minus 40x. As a last step, I need to add all like terms that have the same literal parts. Such terms are 4x squared and 20x squared. When I do that, this equals to x to the 4th power minus 4x to the 3rd power plus 24x squared minus 40x plus 100. This polynomial cannot be simplified further, therefore it's the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.